apprentice and advanced manufacturer alike, you can make it here. Connecticut's Apprenticeship Advanced Manufacturing Program can help make the career people want in aerospace, defense, biomedical technology, or other manufacturing sectors. Connecticut's Manufacturing Apprenticeship Program is a paid training program. This on-the-job training, combined with classroom instruction, ensures a well-qualified, job-ready employee. A registered apprenticeship program can help job seekers earn while they learn and help employers develop a world-class workforce, enhance productivity, profitability, and the bottom line. Here's how manufacturers and apprentices make it here.
In order to find the next skilled worker, we look to local colleges and advanced manufacturing programs such as Housatonic Community College and some of the tech schools nearby, and we start an apprenticeship program and mentor and grow our tool makers in-house. So we have a number of tool makers who are retiring shortly. The biggest challenge is making these students aware that there is such a great need and that they can really grow within the industry.
Manufacturing is not a dirty job like it was 50 years ago. It's more automated, computerized. We just hired an apprentice, a person that just graduated from the advanced manufacturing class. I tell you, I'm pleased with them.
I really enjoy building things with my hands, working with metals, making things that work well, and look good is one of the things I enjoy most about my job.
The apprenticeship program helps us because we're growing this skilled workforce. We have tool makers that are on their way out, they want to retire, and we need to build these skills.
Whether you're a Connecticut manufacturer or seeking a future in advanced manufacturing, make it here.
You can make it here.
You can make it here.
You can make it here.